In the November of 2016, OnePlus launched the OnePlus 3T, which was the first smartphone from the company under the T series. From there on, the company started launching two flagships every year, so the normal one in the first half and then the slightly upgraded one with T in its name in the second half. Everything was going alright till the OnePlus 6T, but last year OnePlus decided to launch two flagships in the first half, that is the OnePlus 7 and the OnePlus 7 Pro. Now, launching two flagships at once meant two phones under the T series as well, that is the OnePlus 7T and the OnePlus 7T Pro. That means 4 flagships in 1 year, or 5 if you count the McLaren edition as well. This year as well, we have got two flagships already, that is the OnePlus 8 and the OnePlus 8 Pro. But this time there are rumors that we are getting only the OnePlus 8T this year and not the 8T Pro. Well, we cannot confirm that. We now have some specifications of the OnePlus 8T which were shared by Android Central. Before talking about the specifications, let's talk about the design first, because we already have the image that shows the design of OnePlus 8T from the front. This image was found in the developer preview of Android 11 for the OnePlus 8 series, and it shows that the OnePlus 8T has a flat screen unlike the OnePlus 8 that has a curved screen. The placement of the hole punch cutout remains the same, and this time the bottom chin is almost non-existent. Coming to the specs now, the OnePlus 8T has a 6.55-inch AMOLED panel, so the display size is the same as the one on OnePlus 8, but the refresh rate this time is 120Hz, which is higher than the 90Hz refresh rate of the OnePlus 8. Another confirmed upgrade is in the camera department. There are now 4 cameras on the back compared to the 3 on OnePlus 8. The primary camera has a 48 megapixel sensor, but this is not the same Sony IMX586 sensor which is present on the OnePlus 8. Instead, it is a newer sensor, and while there is no information about this new sensor, we are expecting it to be the same Sony IMX689 sensor which is there on the OnePlus 8 Pro. The rest of the camera setup includes a 16 megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 5 megapixel macro and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. So just like the OnePlus 8, there is no telephoto lens on the OnePlus 8T. Finally, while it was not revealed by Android Central's report, we are also expecting the OnePlus 8T to have 65-watt Super Warp charge support, which was hinted earlier in the source code of the engineering mode app of OnePlus. If that happens, then it would be a huge upgrade over the 30-watt warp charging that the OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro have. While we don't have the launch date yet, the OnePlus 8T is expected to launch by the end of this month or in the first week of October. So that's it for this video, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.